caves in and fall screaming where we step in. No time for fear, no breath to spare, only the weight of steel and air. If fate is watching from above, it learns my name through what I crush. No prayer spoken, no mercy shown, only the strong are truly known. If Valhalla calls my fall, it finds me standing, not withdrawn. No step back, no lowered gaze, I meet my end in battle's blaze. If Valhalla calls my fall, let the field decide it all. I don't ask what waits beyond, I fight until my breath is gone. Shields are split, the ranks collapse, axes bite through flesh and backs. The sound of bone beneath my feet is proof the line is breaking clean. Kings can promise gold and land, gods can watch with silent hands. Here and now is all that's real, the swing, the impact, flesh and steel. Fear burns out when death is near, only forward lives in here. If Valhalla calls my fall, it finds me moving through the storm. No songs prepared, no final word, just iron answering iron. If Valhalla calls my fall, let ravens mark where I was born. I don't chase souls or endless feast, I earn my place through broken teeth. Calls my fall, let it hear, no plea, no doubt. I was forged for this moment, still in, still out. If Valhalla calls my fall, let it take me as I am, unyielding, bloodied, unafraid. A warrior, not a man. Not a man. A warrior, not a